Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video, we are going to try to solve the question number 2 of assignment number 2 of subject advanced accounting with title or code 0444, and it is related to the BCom or BA examination program of AIOU. So let's start reading the question 2, then we will move to the requirements, and finally we will see the solution of this question. A car was acquired on leases by Affan from Azan Corporation for 4 years on 1st January 2021 that has fair value of rupees 15,000. Interest rate implicit in the lease is 12%. Useful life of the equipment is 5 years. Annual rentals are payable at the end of each year. The lessee depreciate the asset using the straight line method. Okay. So the question is that a company with title Affan has taken or acquired a asset from Azan Corporation for 4 years on 1st of January 2021 and its fair value of rupees 15,000. Interest rate implicit in the lease is 12%, and the useful life of that equipment is 5 years. So the annual rentals are being paid at the end of the year, each year. So another information is given in the question statement is that lessee is charges or record the depreciation of the asset or equipment by using the method of a straight line method. So here Affan is a lessee and Azan Corporation is the lessor. So now we will read out the requirement. First requirement is to compute the annual rental payables. Rental payables means lessee is a entity who are responsible to pay the annual rental payables at the end of each year. So it is also to be noted that it is ordinary annuity, not an annuity due. Prepare amortization schedule from the rental payments perspective. Prepare the journal entries for the first 2 years. I am going to highlight it here. Yes, for 2 years in the book of lessees means a fund entity, a car. So let's move to the solution now. So first part, compute the annual rental payable. Present value of discount factor we are going to determine 1 minus 1 in 1.12 1 plus it is R. So after summation I am going to write here the net value 1.12. This is means expansion or power minus 4 divided by 0.12, as I already shared with you that it is ordinary annuity. So the payment is going to be paid rental payment at the end of each year. So this factor is 3.0373. Annual rent payable is equal to fair value divided by PVDF is equal to 15,000 divided by 3.0373 is equal to 4,938.60, and fair value is given us here 15,000. So now I am shifting towards the part number 2. Prepare amortization schedule. Lease payment amortizations for Affan engage the car. So here is 01021 rental payment. So interest is implicit interest is 12%, and the other is principal. So the meaning is that this rental payment, annual rental payment 4,938.60 is composed of two parts. One is interest rate and the other is principal amount. So at the beginning their balance is same. So in the same year, at the end of the year, means on 31st December 2021, we are going to pay the rental payment to Azan Corporation. So 1800 is obtained by taking by multiplying 15,000 with 0.12 or 12%. Then we are going to subtract this amount from rental payments. We will get the portion of the principal amount, and finally we will subtract this amount from the balance. So we will reach the ending balance of the year 21. So same procedure I have repeated in every consecutive or successive steps. So look at this, 4,754 is the total interest, and 15,000 is the principal amount of the equipment, which is termed as car. Now come to the last part of this question. Prepare the general entries for the first 2 years in the book lease, and 010121 at the time of inspection, and the entry is like that: lease property to lease liability 15,000. So lease liability is equal to 31318.60, and to cash 4938.6. I think it should be not like this. It should be like this, because he is going to be 15,000 and plus this amount. So it is equal to, I am going to be, let me add this one, 4 plus 1500. Yes, 19754, just like that. And please check the rounding figure by yourself. So I am going to be lease liability, I am going to be put it here. uh, I am going to 15,000 and 15,000, same interest, interest rent payable, which is equal to 4,938.6. So this is amount that we are going to be have a liability at the uh, start of the year. In my opinion, if someone has different opinion, please correct it in the comment section with logical argument in support of your opinion. So lease liability at the end of the year, 3138.60 1800. So to cash is equal to 493.8.6. Then again we are going to be pass the journal entry and get the depreciation, which is amounted 3000. Cumulative depreciation is 3000, and lease property lease liability is equal to, again it is coming from the amortizations. So amortization is based on the this amount, 15,000 lease property amount. So uh, we have written it here, 11,861.45. And if you want to add interest expense here, interest payable, so you can add here interest payable. How much is interest payable? 1 4 uh, 1423.37. Then there is a need to correct this one. Number 1 861.48 plus 1423.37. So this is the amount on lease liability, 1328.85. So at the end of the second year, we are going to make payment uh, 4,938.6, which is the summation of two parts, interest expense and lease liability. So here is the solution, and here is the last journal entry regarding the depreciation of the car. Depreciation expense 3000 and cumulative depreciation 3000. So here the solution is finished. I hope you have understand this solution clearly. If you have any doubt or question or query regarding the solution, please ask me in comment sections. Or if you want to add something more from your side to make it more better, uh, so please drop your opinion in the comment section. And finally, there is a request. Please, if you found any error or mistake regarding calculation, please correct it in the comment section for the benefits of all the viewers. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.